Join us for a mountain adventure as we travel from Tacoma, Washington to Mount Rainier, an active volcano 14,410 feet tall. We're staying at the Whittaker's Motel and Historic Bunkhouse, which is roughly $100 per night. It's located in rustic Nisqually Valley, popular for climbers, hikers, and skiers. We are checking into the bunkhouse here in Mount Rainier. It's got like an alpine feel to it. A lot of vintage skis. Here we go. Our room sleeps 3 people, and it was built in 1912. From the bunkhouse, we drive 6 miles to the Nisqually entrance at Mount Rainier. We just got this ducky on our car from these fellow Jeep owners for having a Jeep. It's the Jeep Club. Oh. We ride along the Nisqually River and are greeted by a thick fog. If you like these mountain views as much as we do, smash that thumbs up button down below. Now, time to hit the trails. Look at this glacial water. It's gotta be so cold. Wow. Would you guys do this? Roaring river right here. 35 degrees out. My goodness. Oof. Made it! Woo! We decided to continue along the road to one of the most beautiful waterfalls called Christine Falls. Off the road because we saw this massive waterfall coming out of the cliffs, and then boom, another one right here. This goes all the way up. This charming waterfall includes an upper and lower drop, 32 and 37 feet respectively. So crazy that this road bisects this waterfall. Look at this sheer cliff. It's like a pure triangle. There's a baby deer. Cozy. Got the hiker scramble and the Marionberry pancakes. Ooh. So we are on this hike here in Mount Rainier, and guess what time of year this is? A little rainy outside. It is June. This is the weather in June. These are western red cedar trees. It's just packed with trees. Bigfoot would definitely hang out here. This is his vibe. You guys, any Bigfoot sightings? No? What? It's a hot spring. Bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. Okay, so legend has it that Bigfoot lives in the Cascades. You may know Bigfoot. He's a North American legend. Some people say they've really seen him. And he's very tall, about maybe 8 or 9 feet. Woolly, dark. He's got giant feet. He tends to hang out in these forests. And he is the first social distancing champion. He likes places with a lot of solace. We've been on the lookout for him for quite some time. We've had some false alarms, but we might actually find him today.
Bigfoot comes out when you least expect it.
Peculiar sight. Well, I suppose you could live in here if you wanted to. There's a stovepipe. So Bigfoot, it's like one of those mysteries that we just don't know about. And they say that you'll never really see him. He blends in that well. This was a former hotel, and this is what they call Nature's Spa, aka hot springs. This is huckleberry. Huckleberry everything. Oh my god, huckleberry coffee. What? We grabbed some Marionberry treats to go and warm up by the fire at the National Park Inn before setting out for another hike. We found the waterfall. Oh my god. No way. This is so cool. Wow, it's like a giant cauldron of water. Oh my god. Wow, man. So what is your favorite hiking trail in Mount Rainier? Comment below. Oh my god. Wow. We have snowfall in June. We were completely captivated by the snowy landscape that we got a little distracted. And finally, we heard something rustling in the trees. Was it real, or was it our imagination? Comment below. This is insane. Oh my god. Wow. Here is ancient lava, millions of years old, and it eroded, and that's why you see water coming out from these inactive glaciers melting through. That's cool. Wow, look at it cutting through the snow. Oh. Narada Falls, baby! Yeah!
We're overlooking the Paradise River Valley area. Look at this awesome panorama with all of these peaks in the background. Amazing.
We have mountain fresh air, we have snow flurries, and we also have snow coming down. It's incredible. We've got some whiteout coming up. Feet of snow, would you say this is, Mike?
12?
Look at that. Incredible. We made it to the top, to the visitor center here. Snow flurries everywhere. It's not quite springtime here. Snow in June, guys. Just made it past the national park to Copper Creek Inn. This is ranked one of the best restaurants. Let's go check it out. Okay, it is getting really slippery outside. It's raining, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of Mount Rainier. Smash that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe for many more travel videos. Mount Rainier!